Well, Shelley, here we are again.
We are
It's
year
another
five.
Christmas.
It is
Is
the
this the
fifth
fifth
year.
year?
It's the fifth
Wow.
year of a downtown Dickens Christmas
That
here in
is a
Wetumpka.
question. Well, this is the fourth time we've done it together,
It
I
is the
think.
fourth
Yeah.
time.
And anyway, there's a lot of folks down here
There
milling
are.
around, enjoying all the Christmas festivities. Let's walk around and see what we can see.
Sounds great. It's another beautiful evening with magical Christmas in Alabama.
So, Shelley, what have we here?
We have the artisans in our makers market. You know, the first year we did this, we put the artists and the makers in empty buildings, and now we have no empty buildings, and so we have an outdoor makers market this year. We've come a long way in the last 4 or 5 years here in Wetumpka. All
Wow.
these handmade honeys and jams, breads, candies, nuts. It's just perfect for the Christmas season.
Well, aren't you glad we don't have any empty buildings?
I am so glad.
Look at everybody having a good time out there.
Right outside of our new beautiful coffee shop that was just
Yes.
featured on HGTV.
Yeah, I saw that.
Every year, the Stubbs family brings their carriage and donates it so that children and families can have a ride and get their picture taken. It just provides the perfect old-time atmosphere. It's just beautiful.
Right, very fitting for Wetumpka. Mm-hmm. And of course, we're right outside the chamber.
The Chamber, Marsha Weber's, and our coffee shop restorations, which is full tonight. Everybody's drinking warm coffee because it's chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly tonight. It's Christmassy.
It is Christmassy. Company Street is hopping tonight. It is full of people strolling. We have turkey legs and snow coming out of the new bakery. It's just amazing.
Well, you can't stir them with a stick down here.
You can't. Everyone's getting together and sharing the Christmas spirit here in Wetumpka.
That's what Wetumpka's all about, community.
Community. You know, and all these things that we do with Father Christmas and the carriage, it's all free so that every family can have a magical Christmas. It's lovely.
Ah, we have a snow machine.
There's a chance of snow on Company Street.
Yeah, it's coming out a little bit.
Yes, the kids have all been looking up in wonder because it's snowing.
Well, it feels like it's cold enough to snow.
It feels like it's cold enough to snow.
Yeah.
Let's see, if we look to our left, we'll see Father Christmas.
Down at the alleyway.
Down at
You
the
wanna walk down the
alleyway?
alleyway and
Yes. All the kids getting their pictures taken. Looks like we even have some dogs getting their pictures taken. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We have Father Christmas on the beautiful velvet settee, families getting their picture taken, couples, children. It's just really lovely. Valley Bank is the sponsor for this, so everyone can get their picture taken for free. Barry Kritzberg is here.
Yeah, and Barry does a wonderful job.
He does.
He does great work.
Father Christmas in his beautiful robes. The Elmore
Yes.
County Museum is the group that gives us that settee. So that's an actual antique settee, so it's beautiful.
Well, that is incredible. That's neat.
We all work together.
The great Christmas tradition here in Wetumpka. Okay.
Hill Street is full too. We have the Cattlemen's Association down here again. They're grilling up some ribeye steak sandwiches. We have some more artisans, bread makers, all kinds of great stuff. So many people out here gathering together, eating, drinking, just
Enjoying the Christmas season.
Absolutely. Coming out as a community together. That's what it's all
Yep.
about.
Yep.
It's amazing. And it is good food. It smells so good down here.
Oh, yeah, it really does. Let's get up there. Let's get closer.
Look at that. You can almost smell it, can't you? So delicious. I know what I'm eating tonight, Jack.
Yes. A lot of folks.
Lots of families. It's beautiful.
So what have we here?
We have some more artisans, bread makers and candy makers. It's just beautiful. We have cake pops and honey. Local people making beautiful things.
Let me get a little close-up view over here to see what we got.
You look fantastic.
We got
Truly
homemade
fabulous.
bread.
Absolutely love everything about it. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Do you want particular things or
I wonder what these folks have here.
She makes beautiful candies.
How y'all doing? Oh, I'm fine. How about y'all? I'm doing good. She's at home trying to get her doing good, trying to get got our Sunday school.
And then, of course, down there was a cattleman. Let's go. Let's go see that ribeye that they're grilling.
Delicious.
Cattlemen's Association.
Wouldn't be Dickens Christmas without them.
Boy, it smells so good.
I know, they better save me one. 2.
Yeah, me
3.
too. What do we got? Oh, they got them under there. Look at that. All right.
Delicious.
Should have been taking pictures when our grill was full.
Wow.
Good, how are you?
I'm great.
Merry Christmas, we're good. I'm hoping they save me a steak sandwich.
The mayor is greeting everyone here. Mayor Jerry Willis among the crowd.
Brian. Get in.
Well, here's a line for Father Christmas.
Everybody's
Again.
eating sandwiches and waiting to get their pictures taken.
And here are some of my friends. Looky there. There's Nikki and Bill.
Everybody's
Yeah, wow.
your friend, Jack. Everybody knows Jack.
No, I'm Clark to Nikki.
I'm Superman. You know what?
There you go. All right, guys. Anyway, hey, good to meet you.
Merry Christmas.
Anyway, we are going to walk back
Merry
up
Christmas.
through the alleyway up to the other end of Company Street.
Holy moly.
Yeah, we're going to have to kind of squeeze through here.
Excuse us. Excuse us. So many people.
There's Barry at work.
Oh, that's so cute.
Another family getting their picture
The
taken.
Carter family. The Coosa River Adventures family.
Yeah.
It's Teresa and Chris and their granddaughter. So beautiful.
Wow.
Teresa, that is precious.
And we have a lot of folks dressed up in period costumes.
We do, you know, it always amazes me. Every year we walk around and I see more and more people dressed up. The locals have really embraced this. And so many people are dressed up. People we don't even know walking around dressed up, you know,
Yep.
creating the beautiful vibe.
Looky there.
The cousins, the royals, everyone's dressed up.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Several people with top hats.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's what makes it so magical is that everybody embraces the whole spirit of the Dickens theme. The food, the windows, the outfits. Here's our new little farmhouse market, Tucker Pecan. This is our first Christmas with them open here on Company Street. The first year when we did this event, all of Company Street was empty and we had to put vendors here, and now all these buildings are full. It's our new Crater Discovery Center and Tourist Bureau. So got a lot of people in there tonight.
Coming up to the end of Company Street.
The end of Company Street, and it's still full of people.
See, where's the pecan place at?
Right here, Tucker
this is-
Pecan.
Okay, yeah, Tucker Pecan.
Yes,
Yeah, I haven't
we're-
been in there yet.
It's
They just-
awesome.
Yeah, they
They've
just
only been
opened up.
open about a month.
Yeah.
So they wanted to make sure they were open here for Christmas. We're very lucky to have them choose Wetumpka. Merry Christmas.
There's somebody in a top hat.
Yes, lots of top hats in Wetumpka tonight.
And of course, Don Sawyer has his little place all decorated up.
His little hole in the wall, as he likes to call it. You know, Don has been instrumental in helping to elevate Wetumpka through the arts and to make Wetumpka an artist destination for collectors
Yes.
and artists as well.
Yes, yes. Wow.
It's another beautiful
This is-
Dickens Christmas.
Yes, it really is.
So here we have George's Market, our beautiful local market on the river, and they are here with candied bacon tonight.
Whoa.
What? Nothing says Christmas better than candied bacon. Delicious.
Wow.
And a brisket sandwich.
Are we going to get a
Yum.
sample?
Sure.
Wow.
It's hot.
He's okay.
I'm going to have a sample. Whoa.
So we've added something this year. We have the local library here doing story time and crafts with the kids. It's wonderful. Oh, and there is our local children's librarian, Kathy Saylor, doing fun things with the kids
And the grown-ups.
and the grown-ups.
Look at them.
Everybody coming together, the Master Gardeners and the Cattlemen's Association and the
Yeah,
library and just everyone to
The
make
the
Christmas
Wetumpka
great.
Herald.
Yes.
And there's another person dressed up. Really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Fabulous.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Tucker Pecan. They're brand new here in Wetumpka.
I made it easy arithmetic. All the little ones like that are $3. Good deal. We'll come back again soon.
And there is Mr. Scrooge
Tucker pecan.
from Tucker Pecan.
Ah, humbug. Come buy nuts and candies.
There you go. This is their first year in Wetumpka.
And it's been a fabulous year.
Amen.
And we will continue to make it even better and better.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Those are sweet.
Well, we've come up to the corner where Don Sawyer has his little shop. Let's see what Don is working on here. Whoa, look at that. What happened to your top hat?
I've been letting
Aha, there it is.
a sweet little artist wear it.
There you go. And here he is. We are at the Dickens Christmas, and he is hard at work. The master himself.
Master himself, yes sir.
Have you stepped out and seen what's going on in downtown Wetumpka tonight?
I have a lot of people.
A lot of folks.
Looks good.
Looks
Great
real.
event.
Looks real good. Looks real good.
Very good event. We're real proud of it.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
here to interview.
Well, Merry Christmas, Don.
Thank you, Jack. Good to see you.
He's like telling you to leave.
Well, Shelley. Wow, what a Christmas here in downtown Wetumpka.
Absolutely. We had to reschedule this year for the first time, but people have turned out and shown up like they always do here in Wetumpka. Everybody shows up and gathers together and makes magic.
Yep, I've had a great time.
I've had a great
Yeah.
time with you too, Jack. I'll see you same time next year.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay, always.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.